What we're doing is starting by just boiling the potatoes in cold water and salt.
You leave them in your peel, right?
Leave the peels on. We'll peel them later.
Oh my goodness, they look great.
What do you think?
Great.
Okay, so we're going to boil the potatoes until they're soft. Then we're going to peel them.
Well, actually, you cut them. You just cut and you let them cool off. Then you peel it.
Okay.
Because otherwise they're too hot, you're going to burn your skin.
Okay.
As you can see, the fork went right through the potato, which implies that the potato is ready. Accidentally, I just lost the potato. Out of the way, right? So, now we take the water, and we have to... Okay, here we go. Without getting burned, here's a good way to empty the water from this pan. Pour it until all the water is drained out. Okay? Now the best thing to do is to let them cool off for about 5 minutes, at which time we will cut through each of the potatoes. We're letting them cool off now for a few minutes.
Really hot. Okay.
So, obviously the steam denotes it's hot. You don't want to use your hands and get burned.
Okay, so we took them out, cool
Yeah,
them off because they're still a little hot.
they're a little hot. I'd like to take a knife. I'm just going to cut them a little bit to get some air to, and so they're already hot still.
Woo, hot potato.
What do you think, Marie? I'm going to let the potatoes cool. Peel potatoes. It's like peeling potatoes.
Okay, I'm going to come help peel potatoes.
How to peel potatoes?
How to
They
peel
should
potatoes.
be a little cool. Because
Too
they're
hot?
extremely
Too hot.
They're still hot. Burned. Okay.
Potatoes are peeled.
I'm going to try something new.
Right, we haven't tried before, so
And if it doesn't work, then we
then we're going to
go.
go back to mashing them by hand.
Yeah.
So just put it right in there and see what happens. So let's take a look and see what they come out like.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Yeah? All right, let's try it.
Good.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Yeah. Hey, this is Elisa and this is Frank. Hey, they're visiting us from Germany.
I'm in the midst of cooking, so I'm not going to shake hands.
We're making gnocchi.
Gnocchi. My grandmother saw me doing this. She banned me from
Should
really
be rolling over.
using the machine to do.
Put a couple in. Put 2 in. Put another one in. Are you ready?
No. Working.
It's filling up.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So, do we need to empty that? Is what
Yeah.
you're thinking?
Put the flour so it doesn't stick to.
Is that too much?
No, keep more. More.
More?
We'll just pour it.
Okay, here you go.
It's going to be a little messy, but nothing to worry about.
Make sure you
We can let the potatoes cool off while we wash.
made a little hole, little well in the
Yeah,
middle.
because you're going to put that little well and you're going to put an egg inside.
1 egg, huh? Just one?
Just
And
one.
that was how many potatoes?
We did 15 potatoes.
Just throw it in the hole?
Oh, yeah. Good. No, one, that's it.
One bit? Okay.
No, yeah, otherwise it becomes too soggy. And now you're ready.
Fork or no?
No,
Okay.
now you dirty your hands.
Okay. Looks like a bird's nest.
Yeah, it is. So now you just go ahead. You can use some more flour. Like so. Yeah, don't be shy on flour because you got a lot of it to work with.
I'm gonna have to do this thing. And you just
And you
work
just
it
keep
to a
working
consistency that what?
until it gets until it doesn't stick to the table anymore or to the counter. So, but you have to work on it until, and you'll see it. You'll feel it until it stays all together. It doesn't fall apart. You don't want to put too much flour Because if you put too much flour, then they become hard as rock. So,
Okay.
So when you get
gotta
to-
find the right.
yeah, and it's hard. You have to feel it with your hands. But as you mix it, you'll see if you need, that's a lot of potatoes. Yeah, look at that. The egg keeps the potatoes from breaking out. See, I can already feel that I can work on it. And look at that. Okay. You can see, Maria, look. It doesn't, you see how it's coming? It's kind of like a ball. And it doesn't fall apart.
Nice.
Dig into it so you know it's, the flour goes all the way down.
You need any more?
Huh?
You need more flour?
Well, once you see now, yeah, I would take a little, not much more now. Just give me, actually, I could I would not put it together anymore because I can work with it. I would just leave some on the side for me to work with.
Put it in
Yeah.
as needed.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. The egg makes a difference. Good. So we'll let it sit here.
That was nice, Frank.
Hmm?
Now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna boil it, aren't we? First we're gonna cut it.
Well, it depends. You can have one big gnocchi. And no, I would let it now cool off. The egg made a big difference.
That's a really nice one. Looks like a loaf of bread.
Yeah. Well,
You want
so
more
we want to
flour?
throw this
This way.
away.
Are we gonna keep this and then
Yes,
roll
because
it?
as you cut it, we're going to make it, we're going to start putting in gnocchi. Since we're not going to do meat sauce, we're going to do today Asian butter.
Okay, so do we wait
So-
a little bit? Gonna wait a little bit for it to cool off? Okay.
Yeah. I can see it's already cold, but that's good. Leave it.
Okay.
We
Put
can,
this on pause.
you don't want it to stick to the counter. That's why with warm potato it tends to stick. The cold potato will not.
Okay, so now you spread the flour out on the counter.
I want to try something.
Something new?
No, not something new. I just want to do something with the actual gnocchis. Now we just spread it evenly. That's why you want that flour, and you roll it until you determine how much thickness you want the gnocchi to be. Now, okay. So,
This big? Frank, can you try one?
yeah. If we do this, okay, you can feel it, and it should be even, otherwise.
All
So
right,
let's see.
you know, make cookies this way.
Basically, yeah. But put a little cut on the top just to give it a little design.
Should I go thinner?
Thinner, yeah.
I don't know. That's good.
Yeah, you can be creative. The thing is, the more creative, the longer it takes.
Okay.
Yeah. Cut it. So, yeah.
Too fat?
No,
Little design? What are we gonna do?
I just cut it, yeah, just a little bit. Just to give it a little cut in the center. Perfect.
Okay.
But there's always got to be flour underneath,
Okay.
because otherwise they will stick. See, I'd rather do them a little bigger than mine. This.
Oh, mine look good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, those are yours. Good.
Go stab somebody else.
Yes.
Oh, you're doing it faster.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you got the rolling down better.
Good. You're good.
Frank's way ahead of me.
Keep going.
He's been doing this all his life. I'm just learning. Okay.
I'm just doing roughly about 12.
12.
Yeah, I'm just averaging. Just
So
to get an
basically, I mean,
idea.
a roll is 13, so just do a whole roll.
Now, what we should do is we should already start thinking about,
The water?
yeah, not that these can sit. If you want to put the water now, that's good.
I have to try it out.
Yeah, and then remember, the salt will make a difference because you're going to put salt in the water.
True. Am I gonna stop the water?
No,
Pour
only
the
when
boils
it-
and wait the boil?
Yeah, you want to boil it. You're done. Now, the only thing you have to do is the sauce. What stage is you ready?
We have a lot. Don't worry, Frank. If we need more, we can go get as much as we need.
Well, actually, because we put it in butter.
We have an awful lot. We do. We can take as much as we need. Is that the butter or is it going to
Can you get my
That doesn't matter.
Can we get my pan?
Salted.
Which one?
You want to go salted?
So take a look at what this looks like. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's really nice.
The sauce.
It's awesome. Frank, good job.
You too.
Hi. Hello.
So how much butter should we put for? Let's see.
About the whole thing.
Whole thing, like
I would
6 of
say,
us.
I would say one like that and one on something.
These are cooked very slowly. For that cut.
No,
Okay, take the branches
you
off.
do it later.
Okay. So,
Let's see.
can you get her?
One by one.
Yeah, okay.
So, let's see, there's 6 people. You're putting 2 butters, right?
One salted and one unsalted.
And that's for 6 people. Then, but you cook it slowly. Let the butter melt, and you add the
She's tearing the sage just
Yeah,
by
she's
hand,
tearing the
just
sage by
dropping it
hand.
in there.
Exactly.
and then let it cook until, what? Until the butter turns a little bit brown, right?
Golden.
Gold.
Right.
He said they're rebuilding.
Yeah, like Kate was rebuilding.
Wait, can we raise the water? Okay, we're ready, guys?
All right, we're ready. So
They also
Two
work
rows each.
really.
I could get it.
Frank, put yours in.
I could get it in the same part.
Okay, so she's
Okay.
ready.
Yeah?
Okay.
So now we wait for it to come up.
Yes, you.
So 20, that's been 20 seconds so far. All right, wait, that's
Really?
it.
About a minute.
That was a minute and 10 seconds.
Yeah. So,
That's on there. for
Called it up,
Okay.
but I don't remember the name of it. Business manager.
What are we talking
put a
about?
little bit.
Huh?
Yeah. Just
Consulting or something.
a little more. Good.
Not
You're only gonna get one. So, one Gnocchi.
That's good, nice and red wire. Use the same spoon now?
This
Hey, Brad, you're next.
12 is fine, yeah.
David said he's sending some money over here.
Yeah? So that's enough for
Plenty of cheese on.
Everybody's busy making dinner. David said, I'm busy making dinner too. I'm at Boston Market.
See, we'll let the water boil twice. Watch it.
Last time we made it.
14 in the new hand.
So let's get Maria ready.
Nope.
James.
Oh, cool.
12:30 over.
Okay, Frank, you're in.
Good. Go ahead, Maria. You're ready. Hourly.
Oh, no, they haven't ready made.
That's right.
Frank, you almost ready?
Mine's ready.
Okay.
Stop it.